girl who thinks all old things are like new for her. Because she has the old things from her father gets old things from other people for her. But she thinks they're new as she is getting them
For the first time, right?
And
Okay.
And then one day she gets a letter and then she starts wondering.
Yeah. So it's a little bit of a mixture of a real story and an adventure story. And what do you like about it? You read the whole thing, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
I really like it when the first time someone saw something really brand new. I was like a complete surprise.
Okay. Why?
Because it's different from the rest of the book. It's
Okay.
completely.
Okay. All of you who have younger brothers, the girls, and the one boy who has a all of the girls who have younger sisters, and you, if you have a younger brother, your clothes and things will go to your sisters, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah? Yeah, a few of yours.
Although my clothes don't go to they go to my
You, because you have a brother, right?
I think my cousin sister.
They go to, okay. So you recycle because they're still good enough and somebody else can use them. So, but can you sort of, can anybody tell me why you think Arunima thinks she likes it best when this girl, Ju, whose name is Ju, likes something new, gets something new?
Because every time
1 minute, yeah.
so many old things she's at least one once.
Okay.
Why? Because everybody gets new things, but it's the first time she's getting a new thing. It's so surprising.
Yeah, okay.
She always gets old things, so it's a surprise when she at last gets something new. Because even if my sister gets my dresses, she always demands for something new. So, but for a person who gets everything old, something new will be a pleasant surprise for them.
And how old is your sister?
I have a cousin.
Cousin sister, how old is your cousin sister?
2.5.
2.5. Would you be able to tell this story to her? Would she understand, you think? She might? How about the pictures? You think she might understand the pictures better? So what pictures would you show her? In this? All the pictures? The butterfly and the envelope and the coconut trees, the postman, everything. Yeah? So you can actually make up your own story looking at those pictures if she doesn't understand the story. Now I'm really down to you three.
Okay, I
Let's open it.
I can give a clue for her.
Give me.
Look, that's what her name is.
Oh my God.
So easy, the common name.
Shivani.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
I let them fall out of the way after. I had a big pictures
What did you like better, the pictures or the story? Okay, what did you like about the pictures? Okay. And what, if you were to tell your friends to read this book, what would you say? I want you to read this book because there's a big fat monster in it, or it's an adventure story that is really scary. What would you say? You like plants? Okay. Thank you, Shivani. Now I'm doing fast. So I finished Bhavna 2 first. Which book did you read, Bhavna? To give me clues. I've done really well, okay? Okay? You agree? I've done really well. I remembered everybody's names.
Okay, I will give you a
Give clue.
some kind of chapati.
Okay.
It's kind of a gray.
If I
It's
say
a common gray.
Raisa. 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 Okay, I'll tell you the president of what was once USSR and which then became Russia and many other countries. His name was Mikhail Gorbachev. Okay, and his wife's name was Raisa. So it's a Russian name. Yes, Raisa. You tell us.
I didn't prefer the Bye girl because there was a girl called Monia who always asked questions like why don't fish talk and why do the stars so small which are bigger than the sun also. And she asked the teacher and I have to take the goats for grading so I can't come to the Samiti from 1911. How were the cow herds and the goat herds and that? So then she becomes 18-year-old and she also starts teaching children.
Okay, okay. And why she called the YY girl?
Because she always asks questions.
Why. So I'm sure everybody here is a YY girl and we have a YY boy as well. That's what your mums and dads and the teachers will probably say. Yeah? You have a little brother or sister?
I have a small sister.
How old is she? 3 years old. So would you show her? Is she also a YY girl? Does she keep asking you why Raisa? She does? Yeah? So this is a perfect story for her. Yeah? What would you tell her about this
I
story?
would show her the pictures because she has not seen this kind of pictures. They're very different.
Why are they different? Why do you say they're different? In what way are they different?
I think they're naturally done.
Can you just open out any page and show the others? Let's see if they also think that they are different, that they are naturally done.
Yeah, I think they're different.
Looks like 3D. Okay? Yeah?
Even the same thing is very nice.
Are they in your book as well? Okay?
It's just Chucky Charlie.
Done in shadowing, you get that feeling?
Yeah. And
You know, actually,
but it gives that sort of you're actually looking at it.
you feel you're actually looking at it. The picture's kind of coming out of the page at you, like almost like a movie kind of thing.
Yeah.
So that's what you would show her because the pictures are attractive. Okay, very well done everybody. Let's give it yourself a clap.